Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we're going to talk about how to fix TikTok not sending verification. So to fix TikTok not sending a verification code, immediately check your internet connection. You need to make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on. Then check your spam folder or make sure that your phone number or email is correct. Wait and retry. Do not request the code more than 5 times in a row or you may be blocked. Please wait at least 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. You can also toggle internet connection by turning off the Wi-Fi and turning on the mobile data, or also restart your phone and also delete the TikTok app and reinstall it again. So this may help you fix TikTok not sending verification code. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next video.